Okay guys, so the fans for my PC have arrived. As you can tell, I've just unboxed these. And yeah, we have 2 more fans right here for the PC. I was literally in the middle of playing Minecraft, as you do. But yeah, these are meant to go in the bottom of the PC and attach onto stuff. So today we're going to be figuring out how to do that. It also came with a bunch of screws. So that's for screwing it in. But yeah guys, I might as well exit this because I don't think we should do it when the PC's on because I'll get an electric shock. So yeah, let's shut this down quickly. I think that's on. Okay, I have to screw in the fans to the top here. This is kind of hard, I'm not gonna lie. Like, it doesn't go in. It has to be absolutely perfect. I don't think I'm doing it the wrong way. No, I'm not. Okay, so it turns out I had the fans the wrong way, so now they are secure. And now we just need to test it. Right, I guess there's only one thing left to do. Test it out. I really hope this works.
Will you start the fans, please?
Oh! Let's go! Oh, look at that. It works. Right, Right, so this works. The mouse works. The controller's on. How about this? Speakers are working. Keyboard's working. We need to get the monitor to work. We can still do... Oh, there we go. Or is it working? That looks so cool. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 fans. Alright, so why won't this come on? HDMI 1 no signal. Why is it doing that? What is the problem? Oh? Why won't the screen work? Oh my god. I've actually... What did I do? What did I just do to it? Oh no! Ow! Stop doing that. Oh no. Oh no. Why is it doing that? What did I do? No! Well guys, it's knackered. There's nothing else I can do. For some reason, it has tripped the color reset mode and it's now broken. So I have to take it into the store tomorrow to get it fixed. So I'm not gonna lie, pretty annoyed about this because all I want to do is build a PC, get it up and running and use it, but it just seems that everything's going wrong at this point and it's really annoying. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. We started out well. We have now got all the fans and stuff in this amazing PC. Thank you so much to all of the people that helped me. Their company's really good. I don't know if I'm allowed to shout it out because it's like copyright and that, but all of them are absolutely brilliant. They're tech supporters. I'm not like paid to tell you that or anything. It's just, that's just my personal like experience I've had with them. So thank you to all of those guys that helped me. I'm really thrilled with this PC, especially now it's got the extra color in. But yeah, guys, next step in the PC saga is to get the stupid monitor fixed, because now that's broken. So we'll have to do that soon. But anyway, as always, if you guys did enjoy this video, please like and subscribe, and I will see you in the next one.